Welcome to Real Food, and today I finally, after weeks of waiting, weeks of trying to log on to Aldi's website and place an order for this essential food box that they've created, I had this box delivered, and today I will be unpacking. I'll be telling you all about it. I'll tell you how it got delivered. Well, first of all, it delivered in one piece. There's a small dent, but that didn't seem to have effect on the contents. Well, I don't know yet. I've only tried to pre-open it a little, so hopefully nothing's been damaged. But what I'm going to say is that I tried to use Aldi's website for several weeks in the past. Basically, I would just go in and there would be a waiting list to log on to their website first of all, and at times I was able to get into the website, but I just felt like if I placed an order it would be yet another fiasco or more waiting. Well, finally, a couple of days ago, I was able to go on their website, which didn't have a long waiting list. I was able to place this order and this box got delivered within a couple of days. So it looks like there's probably less demand and they've got a better, higher capacity now to process these orders. So I imagine anyone else would be able to place an order and get this box delivered. So let's see what we actually have in this box. So as soon as you open the box, we can see that they've enclosed some toilet paper, and it seems like a really nice quality aloe vera, 3-ply. Looks relatively good. I do actually have some toilet paper, but it's always useful, so these consumables can always work. Then we've got some. This is nice. I like these. These are breads that you can actually bake yourself at home. So these, I like these actually, and it looks like these are whole grain, some kind of, yeah, so these are 6 brown bake at home bread rolls. This will be really useful actually. I've just run out of white and brown bread, so I will be able to bake these. I'm going to put it here. So they've got some pasta, which is a typical choice for those who produce these boxes. This is it lasts a long time, so you can make lots of useful dishes from sort of tomato with pasta and other things. So this is useful. So we've got some what is it, Basmati rice. So this is an easy cook rice, which can be used as a quick snack when you feel hungry. So this is always good. I'm going to put it there. They've got some nice chocolate, looks like, yes. I have to say, I don't normally shop at Aldi. I've only actually had one opportunity to shop at Lidl, which is their sister company. So this one looks like it's potentially this is their own brand of chocolate, which I've never tried. It would be interesting to try. It looks like, yes, it's Aldi's own. It looks like it's a good size. I don't know how. Oh yeah, it's 200 gram. So it's almost like 2 chocolate bars in one, because usually they're 100 gram. Okay, this looks really nice. So this is a selection of biscuits, and it's a really good pack. So you've got basically a selection of all popular biscuits. There's custard creams, there's chocolate biscuits, there's shortcake, there's all sorts of things in there. So this will be very useful. What I have to say is that they really, I think they did a really good job at packing this box, because everything seems to have been packed really well. So they've got heavy and metal tins and boxes at the bottom, which is nice. So they're at the bottom, so they're not going to get damaged, and they're not going to damage any other lighter items. So this is nice. Let's get this removed. So they've also included coffee, and this looks like good quality coffee. And for a change, this isn't a decaf, because when I ordered boxes from other companies, I mean, they would include a decaf. I mean, decaf is a choice for some, and I imagine this is a minority of people who would want coffee, decaf coffee. So conventional coffee, I imagine, is a better, easier choice. So, oh yeah, there's another rice pack. So, I'm curious what we've got in these. So there are some items that are sort of inside this plastic. I imagine these are some kind of jars, which I think is a very good thing that they've placed them in jars. Yeah, that's nice. What is this? Yes, peanuts. Yeah, I've had other boxes that included peanuts. I'm a little puzzled why they include peanuts, because this type of nut is a very well-known allergen for many people. There are more people are allergic to peanuts than to other nuts. I mean, obviously, when people are allergic to nuts, it's going to be all sorts of nuts, but peanuts are actually quite high on this list. Well, I'm not allergic, so I'm going to use them. But it just puzzles me why they wouldn't include some other nuts. Maybe they're more expensive, or for other reason. I actually don't know what the reasons are. But these boxes, if they include nuts, it just tends to be peanuts for some reason. So okay, yeah, that's a really nice thing they've done. Red label. So this is their tea, and this is a really good pack. You know what, this pack will last me a very long time. So it's 160 round tea bags. So this will definitely... Well, they've included a nice big pack of biscuits, and there's 160 tea bags with it. So this will keep me going. Now we've got these non-perishable foods, and this is good. This can be used in preparation of other foods, such as sandwiches, for cooking, and it's good that they've included this. Right, okay, well, I'll leave these. I don't know what's inside of these plastic bags. I'll leave this for a little later, but let's just cover what we've got in these. Okay, so, a selection of tuna, 4-pack. This is very good and generous. So I guess I'll have enough tuna for a while. Now we've got soups. Oh yes, okay. So baked beans, a good popular item that's always useful. We've got tomato soup, which is great. Yes, I like those. Rice pudding. I think this is a really good idea that they've included rice pudding, because quite often it's difficult when they supply these food boxes. Well, with exception for biscuits, which is easy to include, and it's easy to transport. But for like other sort of pudding style foods, it's been quite difficult to provide variety, and rice pudding is one of those that's easy to transport. It lasts, it doesn't spoil very quickly, so I think it's a good choice. Okay, so we've got some meat. Okay, this is tasty, topped with avocado. Oh, look at this, chili con carne. Yeah, this is you know what, I've never tried it out of a tin. And this one is topped with avocado. This is going to be interesting. I'm going to try this for sure, with pasta perhaps, with their pasta or rice that they've included. So let's see. Okay, peeled plum tomatoes, nice for breakfast. And this is... okay, another soup, minestrone soup. Very nice. And what else? Chicken and noodle soup. Great. You know what, I'm so impressed so far. And I think, well, I tried now ordering boxes from M&S. I tried ordering boxes from Morrison's. Morrison's box was really good, because it also included fresh fruit and veg, which was very, very impressive. M&S's box was just non-perishable items, just like I've got here with Aldi, but M&S's box had fewer items for sure. They're all priced very similarly, around 25. Well, this one was £24 with delivery. So this is the most competitively priced box, and it has the largest number of items with it. I would compare this one with M&S because I can't see anything fresh. M&S also didn't have any fresh produce like fruits and veg, but M&S's box was much smaller. They had fewer items, definitely. But M&S's box did include really nice luxury items like wild salmon, for example, some of their premium meats like chicken and beef in these types of cans. So M&S's box was smaller in terms of items, but the quality definitely was very nice, very good quality. So, and we've got some sliced carrots, which again is very useful. It's gonna be used for cooking. Well, now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to open these plastic bags and I'm going to come back to you and show you what's inside them. So I've just opened these plastic bags, and as expected, these are items that have the potential to leak. So they've done a good job. They've enclosed them into additional plastic bag, and they've got this fantastic aloe vera hand wash, antibacterial variety. This is really good. So this will work great. And I'm going to put it here at the top. And they've also enclosed this, yeah, I guess because this is a glass jar, they enclosed it into additional plastic. Yeah, so it's pasta sauce, very nice pasta sauce. It will work with this pasta that I got. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this. This is huge. They definitely are quite generous. And there's a carton of milk, so long life milk. But because it's a paper carton, they've enclosed this into additional plastic bag. So here we are. This is a very large box. Well, the box itself is small, but they did pack an awful lot of items, and they're all very useful items. So from toilet paper to cleaning products, milk, rice, pasta, a few meats and soups, and very generous selection of biscuits and tea bags and coffee and peanuts and cooking ingredients and 4-pack of tuna. So this is fantastic. I mean, I have to say, Aldi produce fantastic value, and they've now increased their capacity so their boxes can be ordered without much delay, and they also deliver them fairly quickly. It got delivered within a day or two. And everything, although there is a small dent on the side, but nothing got damaged. Everything is in good shape. I didn't find anything leaking. You know, they've packed everything very well. They used plastic bags to protect glass and paper jars. So I'm very impressed, and I definitely would recommend this box from Aldi. So hopefully you liked this review, and please do share your own comments and your own experiences with Aldi and other supermarkets. I'm curious to discover what other supermarkets of home delivery boxes and what's in those boxes. I'll tell you that I also tried. I already ordered something from John Lewis, and a lot of them food hampers are actually sold out, but I ordered a few sort of special sort of treats. I mean, they're really beautiful hampers. So there's a couple, and I will be reviewing those when I get those boxes. I mean, they should arrive within a day or two. When I get them, I will do a nice review of those. But in the meantime, thank you for watching, and enjoy your weekend, or if you are eating, bon appetit.